I just got back from a 9-week trip with my boyfriend. We went to Prague, Vienna, and spent 6 weeks in Frankfurt. When I got back to my apartment in Hamburg, Germany, I didn't want the change to end. So, after 3 years in the same bedroom, I switched. And these are the art pieces that I put in my new room. Ever since I was a kid, I have had themes for my room. But this time, I kept the walls white and only added decorations that I had made myself, sort of as a personal challenge. Another reason why I chose to only add my art to my room is to help inspire me and make more to finish my art portfolio. I have to complete about 20 pieces by February 2019, so it's a lot of work. I'm working on multiple projects at the same time, and right now I'm making 2 clay series. The first can be seen at the top right and left pictures. They are 2 vases. I want to make 4 in total. Each represent a different element. The first is earth, or a mountain. The second is water. I have not made the 3rd and 4th vase yet, but I'm thinking they will be inspired on fire, plants, or air. The second clay series that I am currently working on are 2 octopuses, seen in the top left and bottom pictures. I have made 2 of the 3 octopuses. The first octopus seen at the bottom picture is the newest. I'm not done with it either, but it represents an octopus in natural form, so in water. The second is flat, so pulling the octopus out of the water. And the third the octopus will be trapped in an invisible cube, so his body will take the shape of this cube, making it his own prison in a way. The upper middle picture shows a stone carving I did. One side is a chameleon, and if you turn it around, or look in the mirror in this case, it turns into an elephant. There's no deeper meaning attached to this work, I just thought it was funny. The middle picture at the bottom is drawn in the train. I drew in the train. I randomly drew faces on pieces of paper, and when I got home, I noticed they seemed to be connected or to talk to each other. So I taped them together and put them on the wall. I'm not finished with this project. I want to take it one step further by adding maybe a song or an interactive element. The last piece in my room is shown in the top right corner. It is a dirty pour painting. They're very easy to make. You take an empty cup and one by one add the colors that you want into the painting. So for mine, I did black, white, gold, blue, and purple. You add the colors one by one and you don't mix it, and quickly turn it over onto the canvas and pull the cup up. The gravity pulls the paint over the canvas, which creates these swirls and interesting mixing of paint. To finish mine, I added a yarn frame that transitioned into a man's profile. I'm happy with most of the work I've done, but I don't have nearly enough pieces for my portfolio, so hopefully seeing art will help me make some more.